Hello everyone, my name is Matthew, and this is Learn the Lingo. Welcome to Lesson 79 of Hebrew Basics, a series where we learn the essentials of Hebrew grammar. Today, we are going to start learning the seventh and final binyan, or verb structure, of the Hebrew language, which is called the Hitpael. The Hitpael has several uses, and two of them are also uses of the Nifal binyan, reflexive or reciprocal actions. That means actions one does to themselves or actions people do to each other. Today, we'll start by learning the root nun dalet bet, which can be used in the hitpael for a reflexive meaning. The kal verb from this root is lindov, which means to donate. So the reflexive hitpael verb from this root will mean to donate oneself. In other words, to volunteer. Let's make this infinitive, to volunteer. A hitpael infinitive will begin with a lamed that means to, like any other infinitive. As in the pa'el, hifil, and nifal, this lamed will have a shva. Hitpael infinitives then have the prefix he, hirik, tav, heat. Next come the root letters nun, dalet, bet. The root letters will have the same vowels they do in the pa'el binyan. That's a patach on the first root letter and a tsere on the second root letter. The second root letter will also have a dagesh whenever possible, also like the pa'el. That makes lahit nadev, to volunteer. That heat prefix on hitpael infinitives is the most distinctive feature of this binyan. In some tenses, the he will be replaced with another prefix, but the eat sound always remains. One tense that doesn't have the he in the prefix is the present tense, which we'll learn now. Hitpael present tense verbs will have a mem as their first prefix letter instead of the he, and the mem will be followed by the rest of the hitpael prefix, eat. In the masculine singular form of the present tense, next come the root letters with a patach, dagesh, and tsere. Those are the same vowels as the hitpael infinitive, and also as the pa'el present tense. Meet nadev, volunteers, in masculine singular form. The other forms of the hitpael present tense are formed the same way as the pa'el present tense. The feminine singular form changes the tsere to a sagol and adds et. Meet nadevet, volunteers, in feminine singular form. The masculine plural form changes that last vowel to a schwa and adds im. Meet nadvim, volunteer, in masculine plural form, and the feminine plural form adds ot for meet nadvot, volunteer, in feminine plural form. Let's say we want to volunteer. We is anachnu, and want can be in the masculine plural form of the present tense, rotzim. To volunteer is lahit nadev. Anachnu rotzim lahit nadev. We want to volunteer. Anachnu rotzim lahit nadev. Let's learn another verb used in the hitpael binyan. This verb is from the root nun shin kuf. This root can also be used in the kal and pa'el binyanim. In those binyanim, we can make the infinitives linshok and lanashek, which both mean basically the same thing, to kiss. In the hitpael, this root and certain other ones will have a reciprocal meaning, which means that the people doing the action are doing it to each other. The infinitive to kiss each other will be in the hitpael. These infinitives are formed with lamed with shva, a heat prefix, and the root letters with patach, dagesh, and tsere. Lahit nashek, to kiss each other. Let's say the man and the woman kiss. The man is hagever, and is v, and the woman is ha'isha. The verb kiss is in the present tense, and its subject, a man and a woman, includes a man, so is masculine plural. It will be from the root nun shin kuf, and since the people doing the action are doing it to each other, in Hebrew it will be in the hitpael binyan. The masculine singular form of this present tense is mitnashek. And the masculine plural form is made by shortening the last vowel, ditsere, to a schwa and adding im. Mitnashkim. Kiss, specifically, kiss each other in masculine plural form. Hagever v'ha'isha mitnashkim. The man and the woman kiss. Hagever v'ha'isha mitnashkim. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you want to learn more Hebrew, please consider subscribing to my channel and checking out some of my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.